Good afternoon, my guys. I'm Falguni ma'am. Today I am telling about conduction, difference between conduction, convection, and radiation. In conduction, heat travels through solid, except mercury. In convection, heat travels through liquid. In radiation, no medium is required. Conduction process is very slow. Convection process is also slow, but radiation process is fastest process. Its speed is like its light speed. Okay, and conduction, it travels any direction. Convection, it travels upward direction, and radiation, it travels all the directions. Okay, if you like it, you please inform me in comment, and don't forget, like, comment and share. Thank you very much, your Falguni ma'am.